What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Blades and Bait. Back out here at Mount Gilead. Last week we were out here. It was crappy and it was raining all day. At least today's nice and sunny. It's supposed to be in the 70s. We'll give it a shot. Hopefully we can catch this trout today. So if you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian-based, and just funny t-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife, come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. Yep, they just stocked this in April. And the last time we did well was around 2019. That's when I caught me at least about 15 trouts, and I think Mike caught about 17. So far, the only one who caught anything this year is just Mike. So the setup I have here, it'll be a little bit different. Instead of using a bait holder hook, I'll be using this Aberdeen hook. It's a size 6 split shot and a small slip bobber. I figure with a smaller profile, hopefully I have a better hookup. Yep, I'll be nose hooking him. Basically, you just want to grab the hook, put it right underneath his jaw, and right into his nostril right here. There we go. Hopefully, we can do better today than we did last week. All the bait that I used to catch trout when I was living in Reno seems like they're not biting it, like eggs and marshmallows. You know what, since we don't have too much minnows left, I'll give it a shot with the worms. Try a little piece out, see if we can catch this at least a bluegill. Last week, within the first few minutes, we already had some action. It's been about 15 minutes so far. Nothing on a minnow or a worm. I want to try me something new. I picked this up the other day. These are the bluegill magic bait. We'll see. Okay, let's give these marshmallows a try here. I'm going old school. This is an old-fashioned spinner. I had luck with it in the past, catching trout. Yeah, talk about a huge difference that a week makes, folks. We were here last week when temperature was only in the 40s. It was raining and we were getting all sorts of action. Mike caught himself a trout. I caught myself a few bluegills. This time around, not even a bite or a nibble. Well, we're at the Hidden Lakes. We'll give it a shout out here. Hopefully we'll do better out here than we did at the park. Okay, we'll give it a shot with a green worm again. Hopefully we can do better out here than we did over there. There we go, there we go. There we go. It's actually a decent sized bluegill. Not too shabby. Probably about a 6-inch bluegill. Well, here we are in another pond out here in Hidden Lakes. So far I caught me only a couple bites, and that one bluegill was pretty much it, folks. Hopefully we can do better out here. There we go, there we go. There we go. Another bluegill, folks. One thing for sure, if nothing else is biting, you can always count on catching bluegills. It's not bad size. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. This one is probably about 6.5 inches, maybe. Not too shabby. At least we're not getting skunked. That's for sure. There we go. Which catch?
Catfish.
Oh, nice. Your first catfish. I still need to catch one. There we go. You finally caught yourself catfish for the year.
Yep.
I still need to catch my first one. You want me to get it?
Yeah. I was surprised I got a catfish for anything else.
Yeah, right?
You got chicken gizzard down.
Yeah. And so far, nothing yet on that. Not even bite. There we go.
Yep.
There we go. Let this guy go here. First catfish. Ah. There we go. Huh, caught me something different. A crappie. Small crappie, but it's still a crappie. 6-inch crappie. Not too shabby. At least we're catching something. There we go, folks. Anyway, guys, one thing for sure, if nothing else works, you can always go back with the worms. Didn't do much today, just caught 4 bluegills and 1 crappie. Tried using spinners, minnows, marshmallows. Yep, if you can't catch them on anything else, you can always turn back to the one bait that catches them all. That's worms, folks. So, we'll be taking off. If you guys like this video, smash that like and leave your comments down below, folks. Consider subscribing for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. You guys take care. Talk to you later.